Welcome back. Learning to program can feel like learning a new language. And trust me, you're not alone if you feel overwhelmed at first. But guess what? Everyone starts somewhere, and with the right guidance and tools, you'll soon be writing your own code with confidence. This guide is here to help you take your first steps into the world of programming in the simplest way possible. So, ready to give it a go. Choose your first programming language. The first step in your journey is choosing the right programming language. Your choice depends on your goals and the types of projects you want to work on. Here's a quick guide. Python, perfect for beginners due to its simplicity and readability. It is also versatile, used in web development, data science, automation, artificial intelligence, and more. JavaScript, essential for web development, enables you to create interactive websites and apps, suitable for both front end and back end development. Ruby, known for its elegant syntax and beginner friendly approach, excellent for building web applications, especially with the Ruby on Rails framework. Java, ideal for mobile development, particularly Android apps, widely used for enterprise level applications. Take your time to explore what excites you and pick the language that aligns with your interest. Also, it's better to choose one language and try to mastering it. Text editors and IDEs. Choosing the right platform for coding can significantly impact your learning experience. Here's a quick comparison. Text editors. They are lightweight tools, great for coding in various languages with customizable features. Best example for text editors is Visual Studio Code. Then comes IDEs. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environments. IDEs offer powerful features like debugging, code completion, and project management tools, ideal for more larger and advanced projects. IDEs are language independent, means different programming languages have different IDEs. For example, PyCharm for Python and IntelliJ IDEA for Java. Suggestion is for beginners, text editors are often easier to start with, but transitioning to an IDE can enhance productivity as you progress. After choosing a programming language and setting up required tools, now comes the real part, which is understanding basic programming concepts. Regardless of the language you choose, programming relies on several fundamental concepts: syntax and structure. Think of syntax as a grammar of programming language. Then learn the rules and structures which are unique to your chosen language. Control flow. Control flow statements determine how your program executes commands. The most common examples include conditional statements such as if and else, and loop statements such as for and while. Data structures. Data structures are arrays, lists, dictionaries, and sets. They are used for efficiently storing and managing data. Understanding these core concepts will help you write optimized and organized code. Coding isn't just about writing lines of text, it's about creating, solving problems, and learning new things. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe.